at a new door to wake and see a different view in my life. The one I've been waiting for. Dreams like everyone, I've had a few in my life. Who knew that this one would come true in my life? I knew the moment when you touched me. You touched me. You are like a sudden breeze that blew in my life. A new face, a new smile, a new song. And now I know I wanted you in my life all along. I guess I must have saved an empty place in my heart for you to come and fill this space in my heart. That long before I said I loved you, I loved you. Whatever happens, this is true in my life. When all the springs have come and gone, whatever does I may go through in my life, whatever else that I may do in my life, you'll always be something new in my life. From now on, I know there always will be you in my life. From now on.
Ngayon ang simula ng hiram mong buhay. Ngayon ang daigdig mo'y bata at makulay. Ngayon gugulin mo ng tama't mahusay. Bawat saglit at sandali, magsikap ka't magpunyagi, maging aral bawat mali. Ngayon, bago ito ay maging kahapon. Ang pagkakataon, sana'y huwag itapon. Ikaw tulad ko rin ay may dapit hapon. Baka ika'y mapalingon sa nagdaang bawat ngayon, nasayang lang na panahon. Ituring mong kahapoy Sa buhay mong hirap, mahigpit man ang kapit, may bukas na sa'yo'y di na rin sasapit. Ngunit kung bawat ngayo'y dakila mong nagamit, masasabi mong kahit na ang bukas di sumapit pa, ang naabot mo'y langit na.